Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics. Today in this video, we will solve worksheet of 6th lesson. First, we will solve question number 1, factorize. Question number 1. X square plus 9x plus 18. This is an expression, children. We have to find the factors of this expression. X square is the first term, 9x is the middle term and 18 is the third term, children. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. So first of all, children, we have to write first term into third term. So what is the first term, children? X square. And what is the third term? 18. So these two terms we have to multiply. So what we will write, children, here? X square into 18. So what we get? 18x square. Okay, children. Now we have to find the factors of this 18. So what are the factors of 18, children? 9 2s are 18, right? 9 2s are 18. If we are multiplying, children, we are getting 18. But when we are adding these two, we should get middle term. What is the middle term? 9x. So if I am adding these two, 9 plus 2, what we get, children? 11. But what is our middle term? 9. If I am subtracting these two, 9 minus 2, what we get? 7. But middle term is what, children? 9. If we are adding and if we are subtracting, we are not getting middle term. So the another factors, what are the another factors? 3, 6, 3s are 18. Okay, children. So these two factors we will cut. Now these two you add, children. What you get? 9. And when we are multiplying, we are getting 18. So it means we take here, children, 6 and 3. These two factors we will take. Here x and here x. And what is the sign here, children? Plus and plus. Okay. Now, x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. In place of middle term, children, we take these two factors. Okay, children, in place of middle term, we write these two factors. Now, these two terms underline and these two terms underline. Now, take out the common, children. Between these two, what is the common? X and x. Take the common out. Here 2x are there, children. 1 I have taken common, so 1 is remaining. Write down. Here, children, x I have taken common, so what is remain? 6. Close the bracket. Now, children, plus. 18 means what? 18, children, what are the factors of 18? 6 into 3, right? So 3, 3. We can take common, so take outside, children. What here remains? X plus what here? 6. Write down. These two bracket you should get same, children. Okay. Now, these two are same, so we take common, children, means one bracket we take here. Now these two terms we take in the one bracket, x plus 3. Okay, children, this way we have to factorize the expression. X square minus 10x plus 9. Here there are, children, 3 terms. First term, middle term and third term. Okay, children. First of all, what we have to do? First term into third term. Okay, what is the first term? X square. And what is the third term? 9. So here, children, first term into third term. So x square into 9. So what we get, children? 9x square. Now we have to find the factors of 9. What are the factors of 9, children? 3 3s are 9. Yes, 3 3s are 9. But, children, when we are adding these two, 3 plus 3, what we get? 6. But what is our middle term? 10x. So after adding these two, we are not getting middle term. Subtract, children. 3 minus 3, what we get? 0. But what is the middle term? 10x. So these two factors we will not take. Now the next factors of 9, 9 ones are 9. Okay children. Now if I am adding these two, 9 plus 1, 10. So what is the middle term? 10. So it means if we are adding these two children, we are getting middle term. If I am multiplying these two, we are getting our product of first term and third term. So now we take these two factors. Okay. Now here children, we have to see what is the sign with the middle term. What is the sign? Minus. So here we give minus and here also we give minus. Okay. X and X. Okay children. 9 ones are 9. X into X, X square. Okay. Now X square minus 9X minus 1X plus 9. Here children, in place of middle term, we have to write these two factors. Okay. Now underline these two terms and underline these two terms. Now take out the common children. What is the common between these two terms? X. Take out X. And here what it remains children? X. Here children, X we have taken common. So 9 is remain. Now between these two children, no common. Anything common is there children? No. So if nothing common is there children, we have to take 1. But here what is the sign? Minus 1. Okay. Now X minus plus minus 9. These two bracket children you should get always same. So these two are same. So I will take 1. X minus 9. And these two terms I'll put in a bracket. Now these two are the factors of this expression children. Question number 2 and 4, practice yourself. Now question number 2, simplify by using formula. Question number 1. X plus y the whole bracket raised to cube minus x minus y the whole bracket raised to cube. Here children, this whole bracket you consider as A and this whole bracket we have to consider as a B. Means A cube, B cube. So here which formula we will use children? A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. Here children, we use this formula to simplify this expression. Here in the simplification, formula is not necessary children. If you want, you can write. Otherwise, formula is not required to simplify. Okay children, the first step is what children? A minus B. So x plus y minus x minus y. So first step children, we write therefore x plus y whole bracket raised to cube minus x minus y the whole bracket raised to cube equal to A minus B. This whole bracket is A and this whole bracket is B. So what we take here children? X plus y minus x minus y. Okay children, close the bracket. Now what is the children? A square. So what we take? This whole bracket square. Here I am writing in the next step children. X plus y the whole bracket raised to square plus A into B. These two brackets we take in the multiplication. X plus y, x minus y. The two brackets mean children here multiplication. Okay. Now what is the here children sign? Plus. So what we take? B square. B square means x minus y whole bracket square. Close the bracket children. Okay. Now equal to, we solve this bracket children. What we get? Open the brackets. X plus y minus x minus minus plus y. Put one bracket children. Okay. Now come to the next bracket. Here children, x plus y the whole bracket square means which formula we will use children here? A plus b the whole square formula. You have learned children in your lower standards. What is the formula expansion children? A plus b the whole square formula. What is the answer children? a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now, by using this formula, we expand this bracket, children. So, what we get here? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, children. Now, these two brackets we have to multiply. X into x, what we get? X square. X into y minus xy. X into x, x square. X into y minus xy. Now, children, y into x. So, what we get here? X, y. Now, plus minus minus y into y square. Now, again, children, here we have to use the formula. Here, which formula we will use? A minus b the whole square formula. Same, children, expansion is same, only the sign will change. So, here by seeing this only we will write, children, here plus x square minus 2xy plus y square, close the bracket. Now here, children, we have to eliminate some terms. Okay. Plus x minus x get cancelled, children. Okay. Now next here, y square get cancelled. Minus xy plus xy get cancelled. Plus 2xy minus 2xy get cancelled, children. Okay. Now anything we can eliminate here? No. So here x plus, here what is remaining, children? Y. So what we get? 2y. Now x square plus x square plus x square. What we get, children, here? 3x square. Now what is remain here? Anything else, children? Here plus y square. Now we have to multiply, children. 2y into 3x square plus 2y into y square. So what we get, children, here? 2 3s are 6 x square y plus 2y cube. This is the answer, children. P cube minus p plus 1 the whole bracket raised to cube. Here, children, p plus 1 the whole bracket raised to cube we expand by using the formula, children. Which formula we will use here? A plus b the whole bracket raised to cube equal to p minus open bracket p plus 1 close the bracket, in another bracket, children, p square plus p into p plus 1 plus p plus 1 the whole bracket raised to square. Here, children, now in the next step we remove the brackets equal to p minus 1. In the next bracket, p square plus p into p square, p into 1 we get p, and in the next bracket, children, we have to expand in the formula a plus b the whole square formula. Here we get p square plus 2p plus 1. Now do the cancellation which you can eliminate equal to minus 1 open bracket 3p square plus 3p plus 1. Now we have to multiply by 1, children. Minus 3p square minus 3p minus 1. Now question number 3. A plus b the whole bracket raised to cube minus a cube minus b cube. Here, children, a plus b the whole bracket raised to cube formula is there. So same, children, we expand that formula equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube minus a cube minus b cube. Okay, children, just we have to expand the formula. Now do the cancellation. Now what remains here? 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the answer, children. Question number 4 is the formula, children. a plus b the whole bracket raised to square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Everyone remember this formula, children. It's important to solve the simplification. Now, question number 3, factorize by using formula. Question number 1. X cube plus 64y cube. Here, children, this is an expression. Here, how many terms are there, children? 2 terms. First term is x cube and second term is 64y cube. Here, children, first of all, we have to find the cube of these 2 terms. X cube is x cube. So, we write, children, x whole bracket raised to cube plus 64 is a cube of 4. So, 4y whole bracket raised to cube. First of all, we have to find the cube of 2 terms. After that, children, we have to use the formula. By using formula, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula, children. Here in this exercise, we have to use to find the factors of this an expression. Now, children, therefore, x whole bracket raised to cube plus 4y whole bracket raised to cube equal to x means a, children, and 4y means b. Okay. First step is what, children? A plus b means x plus 4y. X plus 4y. In another bracket, children, a square means x square minus ab means multiplication, children, between these 2 terms. So, what we take? X into 4y plus b square. What is the b, children? 4y. So, 4y whole bracket raised to square equal to x plus 4y. We keep as it is, children, because we can't add these 2 terms because x and y are the unlike terms. So, x plus 4y we keep as it is. X square will keep as it is minus x into 4y. So, what we get, children? 4xy plus 4 square is what, children? 16 and y square is y square, close the bracket. This is the answer, children. Okay. By using the formula, children, this formula, we have to find the factors of this expression. Number 2. 24a cube plus 81b cube. Here, children, 3 is common between these 2 terms. So, here we have to remove common. Equal to 3, 8a cube plus 27b cube. Now, here, children, 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. Equal to 3, 2a whole bracket raised to cube plus 3b whole bracket raised to cube. Now, by using the formula, children, therefore, by using formula, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now, by using this formula, we will expand, children. 3 2a whole bracket raised to cube plus 3b whole bracket raised to cube equal to 3 open bracket 2a plus 3b close the bracket. In another bracket, 2a square minus 2a into 3b plus 3b whole bracket raised to square. Now, children, after expanding, we have to solve. Equal to 3, 2a plus 3b will be as it is, children. 2 square is 4, a square will be a square minus 2 3s are 6, a, b, 3 square is 9, 9 3b square. Question number 3 and 4, practice yourself. Last question, that is question number 4, factorize the following. 27m cube minus 216n cube. Here children, 27 is common between these two terms. So here we take 27 as a common. Solution. Equal to 27 m cube minus 8n cube. Here children, 216 equal to 27 into 8. So that's why here we take 27 as the common. Equal to 27 m whole bracket raised to cube minus 2n whole bracket raised to cube. 8 is the cube of children 2. By using formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 27 we keep as it is children common. M whole bracket raised to cube minus 2n whole bracket raised to cube equal to 27 m minus 2n in another bracket children m whole bracket raised to square plus m into 2n plus 2n whole bracket raised to square. After expanding children by using the formula, now we solve. Equal to 27 m minus 2n in another bracket children m square is as it is plus m into 2n we get 2mn plus 2 square is 4, n square is n square. Question number 2. X cube minus 8y cube. Here children, we have to find the cube root of this 8. What is the cube root of 8 children? 2. Equal to x whole bracket raised to cube minus 2y whole bracket raised to cube. Now here we have to use the formula children. By using formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. X whole bracket raised to cube minus 2y whole bracket raised to cube equal to x minus 2y in another bracket x square plus x into 2y plus 2y whole bracket raised to square equal to x minus 2y in another bracket x square plus x into 2y we get children here 2xy. 2 square is what? 4. Y square is y square. So 4y square. 2x square plus x minus 45. Here children we have to multiply first term into third term. First term into third term equal to 2x square into minus 45 equal to minus 90x square. 45 2s are 90 children. So we get minus 90x square. Now we have to find the factors of 90. So what are the factors of 90 children? 10 9s are. Or you can take children 45 2s are also 90. But when we are subtracting or when we are adding, we are not getting middle term. So that's why we take here factors 9 and 10. 10x minus 9x. When we are subtracting these two children, we are getting middle term. So what is the sign with the middle term? Plus. So plus sign give to greater number, that is 10x. Okay, minus 9x. We get here children 1. That is the middle term. 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. Between two terms, we have to take common. 2x we take as a common, x plus 5 minus 9, and here children x plus 5. Two brackets are same, so we take common. X plus 5 to x minus 9. Now question number 4, practice yourself.